Hi there, students. Epic. Okay, epic, a noun, and epic. And epic, I guess, as an adjective as well. Okay, epically, the adverb, probably less common. Okay, the real meaning of an epic is a long poem that tells a story in dignified language, and it tells about the adventures of a hero, of a demigod, a heroic epic. So, for example, the Iliad and the Odyssey, these are epic poems. Yeah? The Viking sagas, these are epics, and this is the idea of epic. This is the basic meaning. But nowadays we use this word epic much more loosely because there are not many people who write epic poetry nowadays. Today, an epic it's a book or a film or that has lots of action, and usually it deals with a historical subject. Yeah, and probably it's quite famous. So I think you could call the film Gone with the Wind an epic. Or Ben-Hur, this is a perfect example of one of these old Hollywood epics where you've got these heroic deeds, and it's a story talking about the past. Yeah, so this is an epic. Yeah, so an epic film. The or for example, I would say that let's try. Yeah, 1984 by George Orwell is an epic. Okay, so here we're using it to mean heroic on a grand scale. That it looks it's very impressive. So I don't know, the epic flight of Amelia Earhart. So heroic, grand, extraordinary, Herculean. Yeah, this was an epic feat. It's something that is a great thing to have done, that it will go down in history as the idea. But also nowadays we use this word epic meaning really impressive. Yeah, remarkable. This is quite informal. So yeah, the party was epic. It was brilliant. Yeah. Oh, your new get-up, your new attire. This is absolutely epic. Yeah. Or for something that lasts a very long time. Yeah, the traffic was absolutely terrible, and I had an epic journey home. So really difficult, really problematic. Yeah, extremely large. This problem is a problem of epic proportions. Yeah, it was an epic mistake, extremely large. And here this use is much more informal. Yeah, epic, extremely good. Yeah, so well, that video you made, Alex, it was epic. But both of these, I think, three informality, used informally, maybe just about in a semi-formal conversation. Okay, but apart from that, epic. Yeah, something big and important. So the coronation of the king was an epic event. Yeah, it was big and famous. Yeah, it was something that will go down in history. Yeah, the epic trip of Ernest Shackleton to the South Pole. Okay, an epic failure. And then the epic itself is an epic poem. This is like the Iliad, the Odyssey, or like Viking sagas. Let's see, this comes through French epique, meaning the same thing, from Latin epicus, from ancient Greek epikos, which comes from epos, a word or a story. So it's effectively a Greek word for a story. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Epic.